Canadian Citizenship Test 2024 Question and Answer. Question: when is Remembrance Day celebrated? A. July 1st, B. October 6th, C. November 11th, D. November 20th. The answer is C. November 11th. Question: what is the head of the city called? A. Mayor, B. Councillor, C. Alderman, D. Premier. The answer is A. Mayor. Question: what is a major river in Quebec? A. Hudson Bay, B. Niagara, C. Fraser River, D. St. Lawrence River. The answer is D. St. Lawrence River. Question: who can enter and leave the country freely without time constraints? A. Canadian citizen and landed immigrants, B. Commonwealth citizens, C. Canadian citizens, D. British citizens. The answer is C. Canadian citizens. Question: how are members of parliament chosen? A. elected by senators, B. elected by the prime minister, C. chosen by the king, D. elected by Canadian citizen. The answer is D. elected by Canadian citizen. Question: if the government loses a confidence vote in assembly, they A. call for by-elections, B. can continue, C. do nothing, D. must resign. The answer is D. must resign. Question: which province is the only officially bilingual province? A. Ontario, B. Quebec, C. Nova Scotia, D. New Brunswick. The answer is D. New Brunswick. Question: which of the following is not a responsibility of Canadian citizen? A. learning to speak both official languages, B. voting in elections, C. obeying the law, D. taking responsibility of oneself and one's family. The answer is A. learning to speak both official languages. Question: which was the last province to join Canada? A. Prince Edward Island, B. Manitoba, C. Newfoundland, D. Yukon. The answer is C. Newfoundland. Question: one-third of all Canadians live in which province? A. Saskatchewan, B. Quebec, C. Alberta, D. Ontario. The answer is D. Ontario. Question: what is Canada's national winter sport? A. lacrosse, B. basketball, C. Hockey, D. Golf. The answer is C. Hockey. Question. Which is the Canadian province with the largest population? A. Ontario, B. Quebec, C. Nova Scotia, D. Alberta. The answer is A. Ontario. Question. What is celebrated on the 26th of December? A. Remembrance Day, B. Victoria Day, C. Boxing Day, D. Canada Day. The answer is C. Boxing Day. Question. What are the parties that are not in power called? A. Tea parties, B. Opposition parties, C. Rival parties, D. Opponent parties. The answer is B. Opposition parties. Question. What level of government passes by laws? A. Provincial, B. Municipal or local government, C. Federal, D. Senators. The answer is B. Municipal or local government. Question. What does CPR stand for? A. Canadian Pacific Railway, B. Canadian People Railway, C. Canadian Public Road, D. Canadian People Resources. The answer is A. Canadian Pacific Railway. Question. Which of the following is a non-Canadian not allowed to do? A. Leave the country at will, B. Contact his or her MP, C. Take the Canada citizenship test, D. Vote in federal and provincial elections. The answer is D. Vote in federal and provincial elections. Question. What do Canadians normally wear on Remembrance Day? A. A red poppy, B. A green shirt, C. A black tie, D. A white shirt. The answer is A. A red poppy. Question. In what jobs did the Métis first work with European settlers? A. Supplies traders, guides and interpreters, B. Taking care of children, C. Building housing, D. Fishing. The answer is A. Supplies traders, guides and interpreters. Question. Where do the majority Métis live in Canada? A. Central Canada, B. The North, C. Prairie Provinces, D. The Maritimes. The answer is C. Prairie Provinces. Question. Which province in Canada is the smallest in plan size? A. British Columbia, B. Prince Edward Island, C. Alberta, D. New Brunswick. The answer is B. Prince Edward Island. Question. Who proclaimed the amended Constitution of Canada in 1982? A. The Senate. B. Queen Elizabeth II. C. The people of Canada. D. The Prime Minister. The answer is B. Queen Elizabeth II. Question. What is the Great Charter of Freedom also known as? A. Habeas corpus. B. Dominion of Canada. C. Canadian Constitution. D. Magna Carta. The answer is D. Magna Carta.